So SAP organization structure. Now what is this SAP organization structure? Now whenever we are going to implement SAP to any company, group of functional consultants, after understanding the customer business process, we will design or we will frame the organization structure. And without this organization structure, we cannot run the show in SAP. Okay? So the responsible functional consultants like financial consultant, controlling consultant, consultant, SD consultants are going to create or design this organization structure. So what is basically this organization structure means? Now here, first we'll have the client number. It's a 3-digit number of maximum. Okay? It should be in numeric 0 to 9, where it ranges from 000 to 999. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next is company. Now what is this company means? To create a company or to define a company, the maximum number of digits, alphabets and alphanumeric allowed is 6. Minimum is
Okay.
1 digit and maximum is 6. So let us say example, we are going to implement SAP to a company called Tata. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
here the company will become the Tata Group of Industries. And to create a
Okay.
company, the maximum number of digits or alphabets or alphanumeric is 6. Minimum is 1, maximum is 6, not more than that.
Okay. Tata Group.
Now why we call as a Tata Group of Industries? Because they have so many industry segments. Tata Power, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Automobiles, Tata Capital, Tata Construction, etc. Tata Aerospace, etc.
Yes, sir.
Each industry segment we call it as a company code. Tata Power is one company code. Tata Steel is one company code. Tata Motors is one company code, etc. So
Okay.
company is unique. Under one company you can have n number of company codes.
Okay.
Company is unique. Under one company we can have n number of company codes. N number of company codes అంటే there is no limit అండి.
Okay. I
Okay?
have sectors of the.
N number of company codes అంటే there is no limit to create a company codes అండి.
Okay.
Got the point?
Any sector the world can for company code.
Maximum is 4 digits అండి. It started with 4 digits, numeric, alphanumeric and alphabetic.
Okay.
ఓకే, మన కంపెనీ కోడ్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి లిమిట్ ఉందండి, కానీ ఎన్ని కంపెనీ కోడ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే దర్ ఇస్ నో లిమిట్ అండి.
Yeah.
ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yeah.
యా.
4 digits చాలా combination.
See, you can create so many company codes. You can create 100 company codes, 200 company codes. How many company codes you want, you can create. But to create a company code, you cannot cross more than 4 అండి.
Yeah. True.
ఓకే, దట్ ఇస్ ద. అలాగే కంపెనీ కూడా మాక్సిమం ఇస్ 6, నాట్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్.
Okay.
Now, for example, I'll take Tata Steel company code.
Okay.
Okay? Under the Tata group, I'm taking the steel business of the Tata. So one plant located in Jamshedpur, another plant located in Mumbai, another plant located in Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, etc.
Okay.
So under one company code, we can have n number of plants. Okay, n number of plants అంటే there is no limit అండి.
Yeah.
But limit ఎక్కడ ఉంది? To create a plant we have the limit. That is maximum is 4 digits or 4 alphabets or 4 alphanumeric. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear అండి?
Yeah. Yes.
Now what is a plant? A plant is a geographical or a physical location where some sort of the manufacturing activities takes place. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so that the reason at plant level we will maintain the storage locations to place or to remove the stocks of the metals and goods.
Yes.
So at plant level we can have n number of storage locations.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
purchasing department we call as a purchasing organization in SAP ERP product. And here, as per SAP, you have three types of purchasing organizations: regular purchasing organization, standard purchasing organization, and reference purchasing organization. Okay?
And reference purchasing.
Yeah. So what is the regular, reference, and standard that we'll discuss? This is only. So as per SAP, we have three types of purchasing organizations. One is regular
Okay.
purchasing organization, another is standard purchasing organization, another is reference purchasing organization. Okay? So purchasing department in SAP we call as a purchasing organization. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Now here,
here, regular. Okay. No, no problem.
so sales organization is treated as a sales department in any organization.
It's
Okay.
common for all the locations.
Pardon?
It's common for all the locations. And the geographical locations are సంబంధం లేదు. It's for means like for if I say Tata Power, no, Tata Steel, common sales ఉంటుందండి.
It can be or it cannot be
Oh.
also.
And as per this hierarchy, it is common.
Yeah. So sales department we call as a sales organization. Dispatching the goods to the customer we call as a distribution channel. And variety of
Yes,
the
sir.
products you manufacture we call as a division.
Manufacture is plant one or plant any one of the plants. And the other కదండి
Yeah.
division. Okay.
Not manufacturing, division and the variety of the products you manufacture.
Sorry, sir.
Division of materials you manufacture only.
Like for example, like
Hello.
yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Division of ఇదంటే like just to be clear, sir.
So you have so many materials, right?
Yeah,
Raw
yeah, sir.
materials, finished materials, service material.
Okay. Okay, but it's all coming from different locations, but they will call it as per this hierarchy as division.
No, no. Variety of the products which the company manufactures. That is called a division.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So like
Okay.
this, the group of functional consultants will design the organization structure to the client.
Okay.
So the responsible functional consultants is company codes are created by the financial consultant, that is FI consultant, and this controlling segment, controlling department or controlling areas settings are created by the CO consultant, that is controlling consultant. Plant, store location, purchasing organization, purchasing group are created by the consultant. Sales
Okay.
organization, distribution channel, division, shipping point, sales office, sales group, etc. are created by the SD consultant. And the warehouse number, storage means storage type. This is all created by the warehouse management consultants in the real time.
Yeah, in the
సో రియల్ టైంలో ఆయా కన్సల్టెంట్స్ వాళ్ళు ఆయా ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ దే విల్ డిఫైన్.
okay.
సో ఫ్రమ్ MM పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ 4: ప్లాంట్, స్టోర్ లొకేషన్, పర్చేసింగ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, పర్చేసింగ్ గ్రూప్. ఈ 4 తప్ప మనం ఇంకేం డిఫైన్ చేయమండి, ఏం క్రియేట్ చేయం రియల్ టైంలో.
Plant, store and purchase.
Plant, store location, purchasing organization and purchasing group. Whether you create 1 plant or 1000 plants.
Yeah,
Only 4 in the real time, not here.
yeah.
Okay. So in the training program, we will create other related functional parameters also. ఎందుకంటే without company code we can't do anything.
Okay.
ఓకే.
రియల్ టైమ్ అంటే ఇది లైవ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్
రియల్ టైం అంటే మీరు జాబ్ లో పని చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అని అర్థం అండి రియల్ టైం అంటే.
ఓకే. యాజ్ డిఫైన్డ్ బై ద కస్టమర్.
So this is the total organization structure creation.
Okay.
Okay. So first you will have the company. So client number అనేది మనం బిగినింగ్ సర్వర్ లో స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాం, లాగిన్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు క్లయింట్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తాం.
Yes, sir.
A company can have one company code or they can have more than one company code.
Yes, sir.
Now Tata there are so many industry segments are there, so they have multiple company code. Suppose if you are going to implement SAP to a company called Coca-Cola, so Coca-Cola is a company code is also a Coca-Cola because they don't have any n number of industry segments.
Yes, sir. Only one.
Only one.
Yeah.
Okay. So first you will have the company. So company is a unique. So unique means it is only one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So under one company you can have n number of company codes. N number of company codes and there is no limit అని అర్థం.
Okay.
Multiple company codes. Again under one company code you can have n number of plants. There is no limit. Only limit మనకి ఏంటి దేనికి ఉందంటే to create them we have the limit 4 digits, అది 4 alphabets or 4 alphanumeric. Again under one plant you can have n number of store locations.
Yes, sir.
Again you can have purchasing departments. వాటిని పర్చేసింగ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అంటాము. సేల్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ మనం సేల్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అంటాం SAP లో.
Okay.
You will have the dispatching section in each and every company, that is called distribution channel. And what are the products the company produce, that is comes under division. And controlling section comes under controlling area.
Yes.
If you observe, this total structure belongs to Tata Steel company code. అర్థమైందండి?
Purchasing group is one doubt. Purchasing group is the regular purchasing organization.
We have 3 types of purchasing organization as per SAP and regular, reference and standard.
Yes. That you will explain me.
That's we'll see later on. This is early to talk about that. So a company can have only one purchasing organization or they can have n number of purchasing organizations. Okay.
That is purchasing organization, that means the standard, regular and reference.
అంటే in a company you'll have purchasing department అండి. Purchasing department అంటే ఏంటి? Whatever the material they want to purchase, that will be done by the purchasing department. దాన్ని SAP సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో SAP టర్మినాలజీలో we call it as a purchasing organization.
Okay.
A company can have only one purchasing organization or they can have more than one purchasing organization.
Okay.
But as per SAP, what SAP says, we have 3 types of purchasing organizations. అవి ఏంటివి అనేది that we'll see later on. అలాగే సేల్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హూ లుక్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్ ద సేల్స్ రిలేటెడ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఒక కంపెనీలో ఆ సేల్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ని ఎస్ఏపి టర్మినాలజీలో సేల్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అని అంటామండి. Dispatching the section or dispatching the goods to the customer, we call it as a distribution channel in SAP environment. And what are the products or the materials goods have been produced by the company, we call it as a division, variety of the products produced. Okay, సో ఇలా మన ఆర్గనైజేషన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అని మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలండి. మనం ఇక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి సో we need other related functional information also like company code, controlling, sales and all. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ లేకుండా మనం ఏం చేయలేమండి. Without creation of company code by the FI consultant, that is financial consultant, the other consultants like MM, SD, they can't do anything until you will get the information of the company what they created and company code what they created. Okay,
Okay, sir.
సో రియల్ టైంలో అలా ఉంటుంది.
Okay.
ఇక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్ లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి సో మనకు కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్.
Okay.
సో దట్ ద రీజన్ విల్ క్రియేట్ ఆల్ దిస్ సెట్టింగ్స్.
Hierarchy structure, first initial hierarchy structure defined by the FI company.
కంపెనీ కోర్స్ మాత్రమేనండి.
అదే initial, the top level.
Company codes FI, controlling is done by CO, plant, store location, purchasing organization is done by MM. ఈ సేల్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఛానల్, డివిజన్, షిప్పింగ్ పాయింట్, సేల్స్ ఆఫీస్, సేల్స్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్సెట్రా డన్ బై SD. అలాగే వేరే నంబర్స్ డన్ బై ద WM గైస్ అనమాట రియల్ టైంలో.
Okay.
సో ఇక్కడ కూడా కంపెనీ కోడ్ మీరు క్రియేట్ చేయకుండా SAP ఇచ్చినటువంటి స్టాండర్డ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ యూస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చండి. లేదా యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఏ న్యూ కంపెనీ కోడ్. వీ హ్యావ్ 2 ways అండి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యూస్ ద ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ స్టాండర్డ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ యూ కెన్ యూస్ ఇట్ అండి ఇన్ అవర్ ట్రైనింగ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అండ్ ట్రైనింగ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. No, if you don't want to use the existing one, if you want to create, that also you can create as you wish.
Okay.
But real time lo aithe FI consultant create chesaru. We will not get an opportunity or we are not entertained to create this company code now.
Okay.
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 So once you create this organization structure, this total diagram of the total structure can be seen in our SAP system also.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి లిమిటేషన్ ఎక్కడుంది, క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి లిమిటేషన్ ఉందండి. టు క్రియేట్ ఏ కంపెనీ, టు క్రియేట్ ఏ పర్చేసింగ్ గ్రూప్, టు క్రియేట్ ఏ ప్లాన్, టు క్రియేట్ ఏ కంపెనీ కోడ్, వీటికి మనకి లిమిటేషన్ ఉంది. మ్యాక్సిమం ఇస్ 4. అది ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, న్యూమరిక్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఆల్ఫా న్యూమరిక్ ఉండొచ్చు.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is about that organization structure or hierarchy structure.
Okay.
ఓకే.
Okay.
సో మీకు ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ నుంచి రికార్డింగ్ అంటే టుడేస్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ రికార్డెడ్.
Yes, sir.
ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్లాస్ విత్ ఇన్ 24 hours ఆఫ్ టైం, అంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ రేపు నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ వచ్చే లోపల మీకు రికార్డింగ్ ఫైల్ అనేది మీ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడికి వస్తుందండి త్రూ సేమ్ WeTransfer.com విత్ ఇన్ 24 hours ఆఫ్ టైం. ఒక్కసారి మీ ఇన్బాక్స్కి ఆ రికార్డింగ్ ఫైల్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత Maximum is 7 days to download the file.
Yes.
After 7 days, if you try it also, it is helpless. The file got expired.
Yeah.
మీరు ప్రాపర్లీ అన్ని చెక్ చేసుకోవాలండి మీ ఓకే. Just one second.
Yes, sir.